Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website leafwatches.co. I'm on the homepage and I really love the minimalist clean design, very appealing, very matching your watches. I can see the bit of your watch. I love that you're showing your product in such a creative way, cropped in such a creative way. This is really interesting, quite intriguing, quite inviting to browse. I'm thinking about this tagline. It just doesn't. I'm not sure if it really is working to your benefit when it comes to conversion rate. It would be much better to say smart leaf watches, which would make more sense because people will know right away that you're offering watches. You can get creative with this kind of taglines if you're established and majority of your people know your brand. However, if you're new to the market and majority of people who visit your website don't know about your brand, you need to be straightforward to inform what you're offering because the more confusing you are, it will definitely affect the conversion rate and sales. So remember, be straightforward with those kind of titles. But you've got trust signals here about us, frequently asked questions, smartly. I understand this is collection. Okay. We've got free shipping on all orders, which is perfect. Okay, leaf watch. So this is nicely optimized title, designed for simplicity. Okay, so he's wearing a watch. Very nice. If she's wearing a watch, it is cropped out of the picture. So think about optimizing this kind of image better. So obviously you want to show both watches that you're selling for men and women, unless these are only men watches. But the homepage is beautifully designed, very professional, very nice. I love this theme. I think it's narrative, isn't it? I love using this theme. Okay, and you've got additional information here about the shipping. It would be great to see more featured products here. Just don't see any products on the homepage. So remember that adding products on the homepage so people can click and shop can further improve your conversion rate as well. So remember about adding this as well. But I'll have a look at the trust signals. You still have got Shopify default refund policy, meaning that you mention items you are not selling, so food, flowers, CDs, DVDs, which can be confusing to your visitors and can definitely affect sales. And in another video, I explain why having default Shopify policy is definitely bad for your sales and for SEO. So make sure to check it out. Okay, so you've got the links from the menu link to the product page. Okay. The product page is plenty of description. I'm not sure why, but this is overlapping. As you can see, this part of the variants are overlapping this panel, which doesn't look very good. So it should be displaying a little bit better. Okay, but the watches look very enticing, very nice. We've got reviews as well. That's perfect, very nice. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.